So now I have the figurines made according to the sketch of my cake here. So these figurines are based on the basic shapes and the basic figure modeling lessons that we have made. So I'm just going to pick up the animals and then show to you, and the variations of something that is specific to the particular animal, I'm just going to brief on that, but you're just going to have a look at each of these animals and the specific codes that we've made in the basic shape, so you can just relate to what shape was made to finish making this. So if you're making your own figurine, then the shapes will be anything that is within the basic shapes, and then you could just relate to what shape you could use to put the animals together that you are going to make with the sketch that you've made to make your own 3D fondant cake. Okay, so that's the squirrel. You can see that the cute bunny kind of teeth that is there, and these are small fondant balls, and a pink nose that is there, the eyes and the eyebrows all fondant. Okay, and the cheeks thing, which is just part of the mouth itself, is also a part of fondant, is just pressed flat, and the teeth is also fondant, like really cute, and it is placed there. You can see the hand and then the hind legs, we have this part of the basic shapes, and this squirrel's tail also is made, but just that there is a dual coat. So this is the thicker fondant, and then there is another colored fondant which is the light brown, which goes on that, and then the swirling is done to get this shape, and this is the other side as well. So everything is just stuck together to get a cute squirrel here. And then we have the skunk. Okay, so this body and the tail in which stripes are painted on it, and the body is just all the same, similar to any animal, just that in the middle we have the extra patch coming in here, and then the face, the initial one, the innermost layer is hand cut, and that fits to the shape of the face. Now you can see the shape is a little different, and that comes from, you just take a look at the back, so you know it is just not a plain round, it's just pinched around here to get the shape and then flattened out. And when the first color, the light gray, is stuck, and then the eyes with a shape, and then 3 layers of the eyeballs, which is the white, and then the black, and then again white, a tiny little nose, and then you have the lip which is painted on, and then the ears are stuck, and that's the skunk that will go on my cake. Okay, and then the fox, you can see the body is like it is just resting on one hand, and then you have the body in the shape, and again the shape of this face is close to the shape of the skunk, and you have, this is a 2D cutout, and like a closed blushing kind of an eye just comes from this shape, and you have the tiny nose, ears which are just quite similar, and this just one hand which is just placed at a curvy position. So it's just like, you know, it is just shying out and then having the hand and the shape, and it is resting. The tail is a bit bigger, shaped according to the tail of the fox, and there is the white coat where you just have the furry hair, and this black is painted, and that's the fox. And then I have a cute deer. The body's shape is just a simple straightforward teardrop, and then the leg come from the back, and the hands, the front legs just come right in front of the body like that, and then the paws attached with a cut in the middle. The eyes are just made with dents using ball tool, and the white are just painted with white gel color. The snout is just placed, and a red dot for the, you know, that is fondant for the nose, and then you have the lips, and that is also fondant. The ears are there, and then the antlers are again using black fondant. Okay, so the last one where we just made that very interesting shape for the body, which is just the entire leg and the hand is just pulled out from the body. There is no additional extra sausage that was made for the body. So the polar bear with a beautiful shape to the face, and like very cutely it is resting. Okay, so this is the last figurine I have, so I'm just going to place all the 5 of them.